Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today I've got a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. Yes, this is going to be a tale of drama because there's always drama when you order something from Louis Vuitton these days. But before we get into that, I would love to say a massive thank you and welcome to everyone who's subscribed to me recently. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing, showing this video the thumbs up love if you enjoy it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to enter my 500 subscriber Chanel Beauty giveaway. I will link that giveaway video with the instructions up here and down there. And yeah, just don't forget to enter. And good luck, everybody. I'm still chuckling to myself over Winnie's interpretation and portrayal of Styled by Gwenny.
Hello, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury in all of its glorious forms.
For our Halloween collaboration special with Yota Style and Autumn Beckman. If you haven't seen those videos yet, then please do go and check them out. They are fantastic. I do suggest you start with mine first and move on to the others because there's something else. Right, unboxing. You'll know by the title what it is. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know why, because I don't feel like I needed to save this for a true unboxing for you. But what I will do is I will give you some of the backstory after I have opened it. Here we go. Oops. Oh, look, ribbon. Oh, it's in a nice big box as well. Oh, I wasn't expecting. Ah, yeah. So there's the box for it. Just the usual gumph in the little folder thingy. And here we go. You can see this is a kind of little ribbon thread tied case box thingy. This gives me lawyer vibes. This reminds me of when I worked in a lawyer's office when I was a late teenager. All the important documents were put in folders and then when I was taking them to court and things. Exciting times for a teenager. Right, so the drama with this one. Ordered it online. Simple. Bish bash bosh. Went through. No problem. Got my dispatch notification a few days later. Had my notifications from UPS. Your order will be delivered on Friday the 16th of October. Hurrah, I said. Friday the 16th of October came and went. And then on the Saturday, I got a text message from UPS saying, your order will be delivered on Monday the 19th of October. Hurrah! I thought, that's okay. It's only a couple of days late. I'm in no hurry. Monday the 19th came and went and it still didn't show up. So I didn't get a text message from UPS this time. So I went online, put in my tracking reference number. And the only message that was on there was, we'll let you know when it's due for delivery. That was it. Nothing else. Thought, that's strange. I left it a couple of days because I thought, give them a chance. There's probably a lot of deliveries going on at the moment. And then I decided to phone them because it had been too long. So I phoned them and they said, oh, yeah. Yes, it does say it will be out for delivery and we'll let you know on the system. But it is showing that it's at the local depot. Hold on and I'll just give the local depot a call. Call the local depot. No, we don't have that. We don't have that item here at all. I was like, no, you've lost it. And they said, yeah, looks like we've probably lost it. So I said, where do we go from here? And they said, well, we'll do an investigation, but that needs to be initiated by the sender, not the receiver. So I then phoned Louis Vuitton and they said, oh, okay, yes, we can see that it's not being delivered. What we'll do is we'll raise an investigation. And I said, okay, brilliant. They've already told me that they've lost it, so that should be nice and quick and easy to do. And they said, yeah, it could take up to 14 working days to complete the investigation. Really? I said, in the meantime, are you going to send out a replacement or give me a refund or something? She said, we can't do that until the investigation's complete. And I thought, okay, fair enough. I said, could you put one aside for me? Because these sell out quite quickly. The lovely client services lady said, I will put one on hold for you. And I thought, oh, that's that's only going to be for a day because they only like putting things on hold for a day. They don't like putting things on hold at all. And I was like, no, I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to get it. FOMO mode was severely activated. Do you know what? She called me back later the same day and said, the investigation is complete and it has been lost. So we will ship out the replacement to you. Like, hurrah! You're noticing there's a lot of hurrah and then ooh and then hurrah and then That is the roller coaster of buying from Louis Vuitton these days. I gave it a few days, didn't get any dispatch notifications, didn't get anything like that at all. So after, I think it was like five working days, a full week, I phoned them back and said, hello, on my online account the order is showing as pending returned item receipt of returned item, something like that, and obviously that's not going to come because it's been lost. And she said, oh well, I did tell warehouse to go and dispatch it, so let me go and get on them. Day later I got my dispatch, and a few days after that it arrived. So I've had this since the beginning of November. All in all, it took about 3 weeks to get this order to me, and you'd have thought this would have been one of the most straightforward online purchases ever. Anyway, enough about that. Let's get in. There we go. Oh, marvellous. Right, so it really does feel like I'm opening some sort of lawyer solicitor's thing. Oh, and in here it's come out back to front. Oh look at her with her little trunk. Oh, so cute. 2021. Here are the details on the back of the packet. If you want to go and look it up, I will link it down below anyway for you. I'm going to try and do this without dropping everything because it comes with this little sleevey thing, and this is my Agenda MM. I was going to get some generic refills this year. I have got the refills from 2020 because my lovely friend bought me the refill pack for my birthday last year, because I had only recently purchased this MM Agenda pre-loved. This one focused mostly on travel. That's the kind of illustration for 2020. I do like the bright yellow edging on it though. I think that's really quite cool. Very nice illustrations, but not cute, not like enough for me to want to play with it and look at it and gaze at it lovingly. Whereas these ones, like I said, there she is with her little trunk. These ones, oh, look at her go. Yes, Viv, you are smashing it. Playing basketball on top of a roof somewhere. I love it. I think it's beautiful. These are the kind of illustrations that I would like to frame after I've finished using and have like little frames everywhere of them. Absolutely beautiful. 2021 has this silver edging. It's kind of like a metallic but not hugely shiny. I quite like that. It's almost like a brushed steel effect. And you get some stickers, and these I'm really liking. Is she a mermaid? Oh no, she's just scuba diving. I'll show you the stickers from last year because I've not actually used them for anything, because like I said, they're okay. These are much more like, almost like the stamps that you would get from when you visited places and stick them on your suitcase. So cute, not as cute as these. So would I recommend spending £47 on this refill set? Normally I would say no, but with these illustrations, they are just so glorious. I am going to love opening up my agenda and flicking through the pages and seeing them. I think it's entirely likely that each month opening illustration is going to be my first of the month post on Instagram as well. They are that pretty. They are so absolutely adorable, and I wasn't really sure about Viv a few years ago. I was like, what a funny little mascot. But do you know what? This year especially with the Christmas animation with her on the roller coaster going woohoo! She's not going woohoo because she doesn't have a mouth, but she still manages to make it look like she's having so much fun. So I think I have fallen a little bit in love with Viv. The first couple of weeks of December are where I start to sort of fill in my details for the next year, things like people's birthdays, big stuff that doesn't change, that kind of thing. Hopefully we'll be able to put some little holiday dates in there for next year as well. Keeping the fingers crossed. And if it continues to be the roller coaster that we've been on through 2020, then I shall just use it to keep track of my online orders and deliveries, which is mostly what I've been using this for this year. So there you have it. That's my little unboxing of the Agenda MM refills for 2021, featuring the fabulous Vivienne from Louis Vuitton. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do show it the thumbs up love. I've just realised I forgot to put any lipstick on. I'm so sorry. I've had to look at my bare naked lips throughout this video. And I do hope you consider subscribing and ringing my bell so you'll be notified of the next video. In the meantime, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!